Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is unstoppable. Gold is bullish. Okay, very much bullish, and gold is right now trading around 4265, 4260 at the time of recording the video after making a high of 4303. In our previous videos, we have discussed plenty of times that for gold to be bullish, it needs to cross 4250 at first and then 4400. Okay, so 4250 target achieved. So the next target for gold is 4400. If gold breaks 4400, then only we get the confirmation that no, finally bulls are back in the game. Why 4400 is important? This the red box that you see here, okay, is very significant because for gold to have a market structure like this, it needs to cross 4400. So when there will be a breakout above 4400, then only there will be a serious structural change on the chart of gold. Because if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart, we can see that yes, market was forming higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, and it was a mess. Okay, there was no clarity on the direction of the market. So for a clear direction, 4400 is the next target for gold. Okay, and as we all know, whenever a move comes on any market, not only gold, any market, there's always a fundamental reason behind it. Because without any fundamentals, there cannot be a trend reversal or trend continuation. And here it is. You can see gold extends gain as Hormuz deal progress lower straight. Gold touches 7-week peak on Strait of Hormuz reopening hope. So things are heading towards positive side. The tension between USA and Iran, hopefully it will end very soon. As a result, all the markets around the world are responding because nobody likes war. Okay, we all love peace. And here, okay, we are expecting the peace to come very soon. Okay, so if you have any ongoing buy on gold right now, you can hold your buy position with trading stop loss. Because if this up move continues till tomorrow, because yes, tomorrow is important. Just look at the economic and you'll find the answer. Okay, tomorrow is the first Friday of the month. Okay, so here, hmm, we can see market is showing strong bullish momentum. So if you have any ongoing buy, can hold your buy position with trading stop loss. And if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, then it is very simple for you because when a market is very bullish, okay, the best strategy is buy at dip. Buy at dip is the best trading strategy. And when market doesn't come for retracement or dip, we buy at breakout. Yes, what we do, we buy at breakout. So here also we will follow the same strategy here. We are not looking for any sell opportunities because we can clearly see the market is technically bullish as well as fundamentals are also helping the market to be bullish. If we look at the economic calendar, my dear friends, economic calendar, we can see today also we have news coming up, but the main news is tomorrow. So today I'm not expecting a huge trend reversal or something like that. But tomorrow, yes, there will be some craziness in the market. And till tomorrow, we can expect the ongoing market sentiment to dominate. So in this situation, my dear friends, the best support where we can look for a buy is around 4200, 4220. The yellow box that you see on the chart, okay, is the best support. Means if market comes down for deeper retracement, this is the best support. Why? Okay, if you are a trader of gold, you must know that 4200, 4220 was a strong resistance. Remember, market tested it 3-4 times, then market went for a breakout. Yeah, the same resistance will be working as the new support. Same resistance will be working as the new support. So on the chart of gold, 4200, 4220 is the best level to buy. But 4220, 4200 is far away from the current market price. So if you want to take some risk, देखिए 4200 येलो बॉक्स काफी दूर है. अगर आपको रिस्क लेना है, okay, you can look for a buy around the current support level, which is 426563. Then we have 4250. The blue lines that you see here are also support levels, but keep in mind they are high risk. Why high risk? Because unlike 4200, okay, they do not have solid ground. Okay, and as we all know, market always move in a zigzag pattern, so there's a high chance that okay, market may break also. So do I have any buy position right now? No, I do not have any buy position right now. I'm a hardcore day trader. I will be looking for buy around this particular zone, 4220, 4200. Okay, I did not buy around 4265 or 4250. No, I did not buy here. But if you are a risky trader, if you are an experienced trader, if you want to buy, it's up to you, optional. Okay. If market breaks 4265, then market will be testing 4250, 4245. If market takes support and you want to take a buy, okay, you can go for it. But as I have already mentioned, I did not buy here. I will be looking for a buy position around 4200, 4220. Okay. And if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously, okay, market will be going up. In that case, we can look for a buy above 4305, means buy at breakout. So during the day, okay, if market doesn't come for retracement, okay, and market just plays with our emotions or time, then we can look for buy above 4305. So if market breaks 4305 after some consolidation, we can look for buy above 4305 as well. But as I always say, my dear friends, and you must also know that buying at retracement is safer in comparison to buying at breakout, because your risk to reward ratio also matches. You get a better risk to reward ratio, RR. So we can look for buy above 4305. Okay, if market breaks the resistance. That's it. So buy at retracement or buy at breakout. If something happens, okay, and if the deal between USA and Iran, okay, doesn't happen, then obviously market will respond and gold will start falling drastically. But as of now, okay, things are heading towards a good direction. So we are expecting that the war will be over soon. Okay. And to be honest, I personally feel that this market sentiment may continue till tomorrow. Okay, after NFP, yes, things might change again. But as of now, while recording the video, okay, market is bullish. So, whatever we have discussed, okay, they are from the ongoing market sentiment. If anything crazy happens, you'll get an update in the WhatsApp group. And if you are looking for some free updates, okay, then you can also join our free Telegram community. All the links are in the description. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.